Die with Zero is a blueprint for living a full life, not just accumulating wealth. The book delves into the connection between time, money, and happiness, supported by findings from psychological research and behavioral finance. The story of the ant and the grasshopper is a timeless tale that comes to mind. The hardworking ant spent all summer stocking up for winter, while the carefree grasshopper idled away the days. When winter arrived, the ant was well prepared and thrived, while the grasshopper struggled to survive. We all know what became of the grasshopper, but what about the ant? If he spends his entire life working, when will he get to enjoy himself? Life is about more than just survival. It's about truly living. The true lesson here is that there is a time for work and a time for play. This book teaches many valuable principles, one of which is that life experiences can be quantified and optimized. Die with Zero will show you how to strike a balance between saving too much money and not living enough. Get ready to learn how to maximize your life by identifying the optimal times to make the most of your earnings and invest in meaningful experiences. Rule number 1. Maximize your positive life experiences. 2008, Aaron and John were leading a successful life as lawyers and parents to 3 young children. However, their lives took a drastic turn when John was diagnosed with clear cell sarcoma, a condition that spread rapidly to his back and leg bones. This devastating news left Erin to handle the family's physical and financial responsibilities on her own. Amidst all the turmoil, Erin made the brave decision to quit her job and focus on cherishing her last moments with John. The couple made the most of their time together by participating in activities like visiting the park, watching movies, playing video games, and picking up their kids from school. Tragically, John passed away just 3 months after his diagnosis. Although the experience was traumatic, Erin looks back at that time with gratitude for having the opportunity to spend quality time with John. Death has a way of making us realize the importance of living life to the fullest. It's only when the end is near that we begin to question the choices we've made and the time we've wasted. While it's not rational to live each day as if it were your last, it's equally foolish to put off experiences for too long or indefinitely. Sadly, many people make this mistake, saving money for experiences they will never get to enjoy. Optimizing your life experiences. As an engineer with a sharp analytical mind, Bill Perkins approached the question of how to best spend our limited time on Earth with a practical and problem-solving approach. He believed that, while each person's situation is unique, everyone is faced with the same fundamental question: how can I make the most of my time before I die? To optimize one's life experiences, Perkins identified several key principles. For instance, our capacity for different experiences changes throughout our lifespan. Consider, for example, a family trip to Italy taken when you were a toddler compared to a potential trip when you're in your 90s. The former likely wouldn't have much impact, while the latter may not even be possible due to age or health. While there's always the potential to earn more money in the future, time lost can never be regained. It's therefore a mistake to let opportunities slip away out of fear of spending money. The true risk should be wasting our lives, rather than our money. By strategically planning how to allocate our time and resources, we can maximize the enjoyment and fulfillment we experience over the course of our lives. Rule number 2. Start investing in experiences early. In simple words, the value of your life is based on the experiences you have. The idea is to make the most out of your one life by making thoughtful decisions about your experiences. This means thinking carefully about your choices and not just following what you or others have always done. It's important to plan for your future, but it's just as important to enjoy the present moment and not miss out on experiences that make life enjoyable. The business of your life. The way you spend your life and the experiences you have will determine how you look back on your life when it's over. It's important to think about the kind of experiences you want to have and plan for them so you can live your life to the fullest. If you don't plan, you might just go with the flow and miss out on experiences that could have made your life even better. The purpose of life is to collect memories. In the end, that's all we have. When we're old, we can still find happiness in old photos and videos. We live on through our memories. Even when we're not able to do much, we can still look back on our life with pride, joy, and a mix of happy and sad feelings. Having good experiences not only makes your life more interesting, but it also makes it easier for you to share with others. Just like how success in business leads to more success, positive experiences can lead to even more energy and positivity. By having good experiences, you can get more out of life than you thought possible. Between the ant and the grasshopper, when people get older, they are often told that they need to save money for when they retire. This is like a lesson we learn when we're kids about saving for a future time when we may need it. There's a story about an ant and a grasshopper that represents this idea well. The ant works hard and saves food for the winter, while the grasshopper plays and has fun. When winter comes, the ant has food to eat and is happy, but the grasshopper goes hungry. This story shows that it's important to save for the future. But the idea of retiring on your memories is different. It means that the experiences and memories you have in life are more important than the money you save for retirement. The idea is that we should strike a balance between saving for our future and enjoying life now. We are often told to only save and work hard, just like the ant in the fable. But this way of thinking can lead us to miss out on experiences and opportunities for joy and fulfillment. On the other hand, being too much like the grasshopper, who only enjoys life without saving for the future, is also not wise. It's important to find a balance between saving and living, so that we can have a secure future and happy memories. The memory dividend. Investments are things we put money into with the hope of getting more money back in the future. This can be stocks, bonds, real estate, and other types of investments. The point is to make more money in the future. But the idea of investment can be applied to other things too, not just money. For example, when you teach your child a skill or have a fun experience, it's not just enjoyable in the moment, it can also bring benefits and good memories in the future. The idea that investments only need to bring financial gain is not always true. Spending time or money on experiences, like teaching your daughter to swim or ride a bike, can bring benefits that last beyond the moment. These experiences create memories that continue to bring joy and satisfaction in the future, even if they don't bring financial gain. The memories from a great vacation can last a long time and bring joy even after the trip is over. For example, if you had a wonderful vacation that lasted a week, you might still think about it and talk about it to your friends. You might even show them pictures and give advice to others about taking a similar trip. All these thoughts and memories are like a continuing benefit from the vacation, even though the trip itself is over. Spending money on experiences doesn't just give you joy in the moment, but it also gives you happy memories that last a lifetime. Every time you think back on a great vacation or adventure, you relive those happy moments, and it can bring even more joy than the original experience. These memories are like extra benefits that you get to keep forever. Conclusion of Die with Zero. The idea is that memories from experiences can bring joy and happiness long after the experience is over. The earlier you start having these experiences, the more time you have to enjoy the memories. The longer you have these memories, the more enjoyment you'll get from thinking about them and sharing them with others. So, if you start having experiences and making memories early in life, you'll have more opportunities to enjoy them in the future. Start investing in experiences, adventures, and memories at an early age to grow the richest life possible. This is similar to Warren Buffett's investment advice of investing early and seeing the growth over time. Experiences and memories can provide a sense of fulfillment and happiness, which are the reasons why people work hard to earn money. If you want to read more about personal development, there are recommendations for books like Death by Sadhguru, Stolen Focus by Johann Hari, or The Righteous Mind by Jonathan Haidt. Thank you for watching our Die with Zero book summary audiobook. We hope you found the information helpful in your journey towards financial freedom. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more similar content on personal development and money management. Your support helps us to keep creating valuable resources for you. Until next time, stay invested in yourself and strive for a life rich with experiences, adventures, and memories.